Well, welcome back to week 4 in our research methods class. This week, we're going to look at ethics in research. And we get into the content of this chapter, chapter 5. Encourage you to read through it. Also, I'll be posting this video. I want you to watch as it relates to ethics in research. And I'm taking the material from chapter 5 in our text along with another text by Bumgarner, and giving you a short video lecture here. Encourage you to watch it, read your text, and then you'll be ready to take the quiz for this week. For the activity this week, it's going to be a little bit different. It's called Reflection 1, The Search for Truth. And basically, this is an activity that's going to encourage you to develop some critical thinking skills and to try to keep open and make decisions based on scientific evidence, things that are supported with research. So there's several things you should read. The first set of materials deals with an incident, the Covington kids, which you may or may not be familiar with. So make sure you read that material. And then you'll be answering question 1. Then you'll be ready to go to question 2. And now you're going to look at something specifically in the area of kinesiology. You're going to read through one article, what conclusions then you might draw from that article. And then you're going to be provided with a meta-analysis as relates to caffeine and exercise. And then, again, answering the question, how does that change your conclusions and what you base your conclusions on? Number 3 asks a similar question as you look at the Covington situation, as you look at the caffeine situation. Another question as relates to high-intensity interval training and fat loss. And so again, answering the questions as you go along. As we do this assignment, here's what is due when. By Thursday of this week, you should go through all the material and have answered the questions listed 1 through 5. And that should be a minimum of 300 words. Make sure you're relying on peer-reviewed readings and make sure you're following APA format. Then once you post your initial response, you will then look for at least 2 peers' posts, and you're going to respond to their posts. I'd encourage you to look for peers that have not had people respond yet to them. Again, as you respond to the different peer posts, ask questions, provide some critique, encourage additional discussion on the topic at hand. And then by Sunday of this week, the final part of this discussion assignment would be to have a response to the peers that responded to you. So 150 words minimum per post. You should answer and address the questions and critiques that your peers posted to your original thread. And again, you should support your ideas with evidence-based outside sources. Should just not be your opinion. Again, try to write in a professional way, avoiding personal pronouns, direct quotations. Please do provide any in-text citations if you feel that supports your position. Because of the nature of this assignment, it's a discussion type of assignment. No late work will be accepted because it doesn't really follow the live discussion format. Here's the rubric I encourage you to look at, and I'm looking forward to this different activity for this week.